Hi, Andrei from Simplenet here. Today I'll show you how to restore a database from cPanel. Log into your client area. From your client area you can log into cPanel. In cPanel, go to Acronis Backup. You have your restore points here. Let's try this one. Click on Databases. Check the database you want to restore and click the Recover button. Click on Start Recovery. Depending how big the database is, this can take a while. That's it. Your database has been restored.